So I bought one of these 8-panel LED bulbs from Amazon. Every single one of these folds out. Shine down on an area. So what I plan to do is over here by my lathe, I'm gonna have this up here above the lathe to kind of light it up. So here's a before shot of how bright it is over here. So these fixtures that I bought, unfortunately there's not a lot of room. It's made to bolt to like a box, which I'm not gonna put a box up here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to 3D print some spacers, so it'll be spaced off, and then I can run the wire underneath it, and it'll be just like spaced off of the beam like that. So let's go design these spacers. Bushings are in and they work perfectly for my wire. Now for the fun part. You guys ready for this? Bam! This is so nice. It's like my little operating table.